Alright, this is part 2 of JJ, Straight Snoring. Come check me out. He had to change locations, like the snore was gonna be different on the sofa than it was in the chair. Pretty freaking bad. Here we go. Jesus, you can hear from here. He's still holding the remotes and everything, look. Sounds like good sleep. Holy shit. What is he watching? Damn, you come to my crib, brothers. What happens? Jay, what is wrong with you, Jay? What is up with you, player? God dang it, bro. It's classic, man. I love you, dog. Man. You knew I was coming with it.